Want to enjoy cable-free streaming from your devices to your big screen? In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best wireless HDMI transmitters on Amazon, perfect for hassle-free video sharing, presentations, and home entertainment. From low latency performance to easy setup and wide device compatibility, these transmitters help you ditch messy cords while keeping high-quality video. Stick around to find the one that gives you smooth wireless connectivity. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss our top tech roundups and gadget recommendations. At number 1 we have BRAIDOL Wireless HDMI Transmitter. Wireless HDMI Extended Transmitter and Receiver 4K offers true plug-and-play functionality. Bluetooth HDMI connect devices effortlessly in under 8 seconds. Experience a transmission range of up to 328 feet, 100 meters. With our HDMI wireless transmitters and receivers 4K, you can use it as you wish without restrictions. Wireless HDMI adapter featuring an advanced dual-band chip, 5G plus 2.4G, and the dynamic stability equalizer engine. This system delivers strong anti-interference performance and stable signal transmission under all conditions. Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, choose between mirroring or extending your screen to adapt to your needs. Effortlessly project content from laptops, cameras, or TV set-top boxes to HD TVs, projectors, or monitors, offering a versatile, multifunctional experience. Wireless HDMI connector supports 4K decoding in 1080p Full HD output at 60 Hz for immersive visuals, ideal for gaming, meetings, or home theater experiences. At number 2 we have TIMBOOTECH Wireless HDMI Transmitter. TIMBOOTECH Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver are designed to wirelessly cast 4K HDR video and audio to big display without delay. You could cast any content from laptop/camera/cable box to HD TV, projector, monitor. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is auto-paired before the factory, which is truly plug-and-play. No apps, no Bluetooth, and no Wi-Fi are required. Mirror and extend mode effortlessly duplicate or extend your computer or laptop screen to showcase different content on a big screen. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit have a resolution of 720p, 1080p, and 4K. You can enjoy the most realistic and immersive experience on a 4K compatible big screen. Add a new feature to your old TV. With this HDMI extender, utilizing a 2.4G/5G transmission protocol, the signal is stronger and more stable, extending the transmission range up to 165 ft/50 meters in line of sight. Even when passing through walls or obstacles, it maintains a reliable connection. At number 3 we have All Lucky Wireless HDMI Transmitter. Supports wireless transmission up to 100 feet, 30 meters, allowing you to move freely around your home without worrying about signal interruptions, ensuring a seamless viewing experience. Note, the receiver and transmitter require independent power supply. It is recommended to use a standard 5V/2A power source to ensure more stable device performance. Constructed with a lightweight and durable plastic shell, the device features a real-time status indicator for easy monitoring of operation. The cooling system ensures long-lasting and stable performance, while the 90-degree bendable interface perfectly accommodates wiring needs in tight spaces. Design requires no driver installation or Bluetooth pairing, supporting a variety of devices including PS5/Xbox, computers, TV boxes, and projectors. Simply connect via HDMI for quick screen mirroring, achieving cross-platform compatibility while eliminating complex setup processes, providing a seamless casting experience for gaming consoles and multimedia equipment. At number 4 we have TIMBOOTECH HDMI Transmitter or 4 Receivers. TIMBOOTECH Wireless HDMI Transmitter and 4 Receivers kit allows you to wirelessly mirror your favorite movies, games, and videos to 4 TVs and 4 touchscreens simultaneously. Perfect for meetings, teaching, home theaters, store showcases, and camera shooting. Our wireless video transmitter supports 4K input decoding and delivers a maximum output resolution of 1920x1080 at 60 Hz. Enjoy high-definition video reproduction with vibrant colors and sharp images. TIMBOOTECH HDMI Wireless Kit, featuring 1 transmitter and 4 receivers, is prepared at the factory for a true plug-and-play experience, no settings, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi required. To add an extra receiver, pair it with the transmitter. Transform your iOS, Android phone, or tablet into a monitor by plugging the transmitter into an HDMI output device and using our app on your phone or tablet. Supports up to 8 mobiles. Note, the touch screen cannot reverse control the HDMI source. This compact and portable kit is suitable for both indoor and outdoor mirroring. At number 5 we have TPUFO Wireless HDMI Transmitter. Wireless screen mirroring and extension modes. Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver supports screen mirroring and screen extension functions, allowing you to project the content from devices such as laptops, cameras, and cable TV set-top boxes onto high-definition TVs, projectors, and displays, providing a versatile application experience. Plug and play, simple and efficient wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. No need for complex applications, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi connections. The product is plug and play, saving you from the hassle of configuration and keeping your office or room neat. Say goodbye to messy cables and enjoy seamless, high-quality streaming. Ultra-high-definition picture-quality wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver supports 4K decoding and ultra-high-definition output at 1080p/60 Hz, offering exceptional visual experiences for learning, business meetings, family gatherings, and gaming. Note that this product is not suitable for connecting to mobile phones or tablets. At number 6 we have TIMBOOTECH 4K wireless HDMI. Upgrade your presentations and home entertainment with the TIMBOOTECH wireless HDMI extender featuring 2 transmitters and 1 receiver for effortless screen switching at the press of a button. Seamlessly toggle between 2 HDMI source devices without unplugging cables, making it ideal for conference rooms, classrooms, church projections, gaming setups, and family gatherings. Prepared at the factory, this plug-and-play system requires no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or complicated setup. Simply connect and start streaming. 1 receiver supports up to 8 transmitters, allowing flexible multi-device connectivity for professional workflows. Enjoy immersive visuals with 4K decoding in smooth 1920x1080 at 60 Hz output, powered by stable dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz transmission for clear, interference-resistant performance. With a long wireless range of up to 328 feet, 100 meters, it delivers low-latency audio and video transmission, even in busy office environments where channels can be adjusted for optimal performance. At number 7 we have BRAIDOL HDMI transmitter and receiver. Play functionality, no messy cables, Wi-Fi, apps, Bluetooth, or complex settings required. Bluetooth HDMI connect devices effortlessly in under 10 seconds. Zero-drop technology ensures zero latency for smoother operation, keeping your workspace tidy while delivering seamless, high-quality streaming. 328 feet/100 meters range in 5G plus 2.4G dual-band stability and dynamic stability equalizer engine. Experience a transmission range of up to 328 feet, 100 meters, with our HDMI wireless transmitters and receivers 4K, offering flexible placement and convenient use. Wireless HDMI adapter featuring an advanced dual-band chip, 5G plus 2.4G, and the dynamic stability equalizer engine. This system delivers strong anti-interference performance and stable signal transmission under all conditions. 4K decoding and LDS antenna ultra-speed transmission. Wireless HDMI connector supports 4K decoding and 1080p Full HD output at 60 Hz for immersive visuals, ideal for gaming, meetings, or home theater experiences. The integrated LDS antenna enables HD plus ultra-speed transmission, elevating your viewing experience. At number 8 we have Yomais Wireless HDMI Pro. Experience flexible multi-screen streaming with the wireless HDMI G7R Pro portable system, delivering stable transmission up to 165 Ft, 50 m, in open spaces and supporting multiple displays for both personal and professional use. Compact and travel-friendly, it's ideal for mobile presentations, events, classrooms, churches, conference rooms, restaurants, and home entertainment setups. Recommended for up to 6 screens, including 4 receivers, multiple TVs, and 2 mobile devices. It allows seamless content sharing anytime, anywhere. Powered by a next-generation 5G chip with advanced heat control technology and automatic cooling, it ensures stable connectivity and prevents overheating during extended streaming sessions. The prepared transmitter and receiver offer true plug-and-play convenience with dual-band 2.4G/5.8 GHz frequencies, no apps, drivers, or Wi-Fi required, while unfoldable antennas enhance signal strength and stability. Designed for convenience, performance, and versatility, this wireless HDMI solution simplifies streaming to multiple TVs in any environment. At number 9 we have YAOMAISI Wireless HDMI G9R Pro. Expand your display capabilities effortlessly with the wireless HDMI G9R Pro, designed to stream smooth video, audio, and presentations up to 165 Ft, 50 m, across multiple screens simultaneously. This professional kit includes one transmitter, TX, and 4 receivers, RX, allowing you to mirror content to 4 TVs, monitors, or projectors at the same time with ultra-low 0.1s latency and no noticeable delay. For expanded setups, it supports up to 6 screens, 4 RXs plus 2 mobile devices, with additional receivers. The system is prepared for true plug-and-play convenience, no apps, drivers, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth required. Simply connect the TX to an HDMI output device such as a laptop, PC, or TV box. TX cannot connect directly to a TV, and you're ready to stream. Featuring dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz transmission, it delivers stable connectivity in open areas up to 165 ft and up to 50 ft through standard walls or ceilings. And portable, the G9R Pro is ideal for conference rooms, classrooms, and any environment requiring multi-screen wireless streaming. At number 10 we have EVATEK Wireless HDMI Transmitter. Say goodbye to tangled cables and embrace the freedom of wireless connectivity with our cutting-edge wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. Designed for seamless multi-display setups, this kit includes one transmitter and 2 receivers, allowing you to share your content across 2 screens simultaneously, be it TVs, projectors, or monitors, without the hassle of configuration. Experience stunning visuals wirelessly. Stream 4K content to your primary display in crisp 1080p/60Hz HD to a secondary screen, with automatic resolution adjustment based on connected devices. This plug-and-play solution requires no apps, Bluetooth pairing, or Wi-Fi connections, making it universally compatible and incredibly user-friendly. Harnessing the power of dual-band 2.4G/5G technology, our wireless HDMI system ensures a stable connection with up to 328 feet/100 meters range. With latency as low as less than 0.2 seconds, enjoy synchronized viewing experiences without the drag caused by traditional cables.